smells great. I can't even grip this axe, the gloves are so stiff. God. Right, I've been busy sawing away for the past hour since I got my my axe, my Benchmade hasn't had as much time to baton, so now's a good time. Light work. Easy. Easy. This one's a bit more difficult. Go on, son. That's not as good a cut, but you know what? Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Freaking log fell over. Scared the absolute whoop piss out of me. There we go. Nice. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Well, here it is. The upside down fire. I have no idea how well this is going to go, but I've been working away at it. I mean, if it goes up, I wouldn't be surprised if it burns for quite a while. But I've never done anything like this before, so I don't know. Everything's pretty wet. I've got all pine on top. I don't know what that piece of wood underneath was, but it's actually not bad. So, we'll see. It's 2:30 now. I think I'm going to wait till 3 o'clock before I light it, and we'll see how well this kitty purrs. Stick around. I'm not really sure how well this is going to work, but we're going to try. Everything's wet. Wet, wet, wet. This is the birch that I collected earlier. It's been in the Dutch oven, aka my back pocket. We'll see how she goes. Come on, fire steel. Right. Ooh. She's up. She's up and running. She's out. Fuck. Still got some birch in there. Not a lot though. Right, I'm gonna come on. I'm just not getting a good spark off the steel anymore. Like there's nothing coming off. And it's doing this stupid ridges in it. I don't get why it's doing that. I'm gonna need different birch. Better birch. Right. Let's try this again. No messing around. This time I'm going under that stuff. I don't know if it's the birch or if it's this fire steel. Stupid fire steel. It's getting those ridges in it, which happened to my last one, and then it won't spark. It will spark as well as it should. Come on. I don't know what does it. Just throw a good spark. considering it's an upside down fire, I keep having to put everything on top of it. Well, it's going now. I don't know if I'd call it an upside down fire as much as I'd call it a normal fire made on top of a pile of logs. I don't know if this is gonna burn or continue to burn. It's not very hot. I don't think doing this with wet wood was the best idea, because I need the heat to dry out the wood, and I seem to be losing it all, going up, and then all my coals seem to just fall off the sides, which is what I want, hot coals to heat up everything underneath. So I'm just going to leave it, I'm going to let it burn. I don't even know if I'll be able to cook my dinner on this. It was an experiment, and I tried it, and I will try it again. Maybe not in these conditions though. So, we'll see. Ta-da! Maker's Mark Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. It's not a whiskey, it's a whiskey. Handmade, distilled, aged, and bottled by the Maker's Mark Distillery Inc., Star Hill Farm, Loretto, Kentucky, USA. And there goes my fire. See what I mean? Piss! I do not like this. No, sir. Which is annoying, because I thought this would just burn all night. It'd be great. It'd be amazing. Anywho. Yeah, there we go. The store I went to this time didn't have a lot of selection. I drink Bullet normally. Their distillery, oh, is a designated Kentucky and National Historic Landmark. Fully matured. Alcohol 45% by volume. 90 proof. What does the back say? Oh, it's just warnings. Let me check. Yeah, still not pregnant, so I can drink this. I know this stuff is famous for this wax tart. I wonder if they have beef with Babybel cheese. Jesus. I about need this right now. Oh, baby. Screw top, that's weird. Maybe not. Maker's Mark. I've never really drank this, so cheers, guys. Yeehaw! It's alright, is that? That's not too bad. I'm not going to drink too much of that until I've had my dinner, but my cooking apparatus isn't doing too hot, so anyway, we shall see. Emergency chili's boiling. Camera's getting steamy. Don't know if you can see me. Well, the upside down fire wasn't a complete failure, but I wouldn't say it was a complete success either. I did manage to cook my emergency chili on it. I brought fish for dinner. Well, fish and chili, but I didn't cook the fish. Managed to cook the emergency chili. Get something in my belly at least, but this is going now. I mean, it's doing alright. It's still got at least 2-3 tiers to go, so might go for a while.